Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest insights on top-notch products. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a game-changer, the Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight camera mount tripod stand with bag. If you're a photography enthusiast, this is the tripod you've been searching for. Let's kick things off by introducing this fantastic piece of gear. The Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight camera mount tripod stand with bag is your perfect companion for all your photography and videography adventures. It's known for its versatility, portability, and incredible value for money. Now, let's delve into the key features that make this tripod stand out from the crowd. Portability. This tripod is incredibly lightweight and designed with portability in mind. Whether you're on a hike, traveling, or just out and about, you can easily carry it in the included zippered storage bag. Adjustable height. With 3-section, lever lock legs, you have the flexibility to adjust the height to your liking. It can extend up to 50 inches, allowing you to capture the perfect shot from various angles. Sturdy build. Made of lightweight aluminum, this tripod is both durable and reliable. It can handle a weight limit of up to 4.4 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of cameras and accessories. 3-way head. The tripod's 3-way head allows for tilt and swivel motion, giving you the freedom to shoot in portrait or landscape mode. It ensures you have the flexibility you need for your creative shots. Quick release plate. The quick release plate feature ensures fast transitions between shots. No more fumbling around when you need to switch your camera setup. So, who is this tripod best suited for? It's perfect for photography enthusiasts, vloggers, and anyone looking to take their photography and videography skills to the next level. However, keep in mind that it's not recommended for heavy, high-end DSLR cameras. Let's talk about what you can expect when you unbox this tripod. It comes neatly packed in a zippered storage bag, which helps protect your investment. Inside, you'll find the tripod itself, along with an easy-to-understand user manual. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight camera mount tripod stand with bag is a game-changer in the world of tripods. Its blend of portability, adjustability, and affordability makes it the best tripod for DSLR enthusiasts. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your photography and videography game. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another exciting product review from Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, the right gear can make all the difference in your creative journey. Until next time, keep capturing those amazing moments.